What is up, everyone, and this is Motutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome error 400, the bad request error. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to basically fix this error, if you are getting it, is to go to Chrome://settings. Once you're in here, just straight up write cookies or cook or whatever, right, at the top in the search bar, and you're going to see something called the first one where it says delete browsing data. In here, we're going to basically delete the cookies because that is what's essentially causing this error. You click into this, just delete the cookies. You don't need to delete your history, your cache, or anything. Just delete the cookies. Once you do that, you should be good to go and not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's it. That's basically it. That's all you guys need to do. Once you do that, you can also restart your computer just as like a second check, just to make sure nothing else is causing any issues. And yeah, turn off Chrome, turn it back on, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash this up. If you guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motutorials out. Peace.